We out here, payless. I got Miles here too. That's where I go to get all my stuff from. Riding in the work car today, about to go to work in about 2 hours. He got 215. That's his car. 215. You know what I'm saying? He got 412, I think. They're trying to look at mine. Let me go ahead and show them. I got 215s in though.
Yeah, pull up beside this man got 215s in the trunk.
Sales. Get your business.
We're doing it big right there. That's his car over there, you know what I'm saying?
Grand Marquis, you know, little Merc.
What you got in there, man? Go ahead and tell him.
You got a 4-pack in there, you know what I'm saying?
100.
4 of them MTX TS85s, 2 1700 Brutuses strapped.
100. My dude car right there, you know what I'm saying?
Then we're gonna come on over here to
15.
He got that Magnum. I ain't even gonna tell you what it is, I'm just gonna walk up to you and let you see it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you hear
know what I mean? Everybody know what them is. Yep.
Got a good.
Yeah, we got them. Yeah,
got a good box, boy.
Yeah.
This is where I go.
Over here to the Merc.
We on over there off North Tryon.
Huh?
Let's see what he got in here.
Yeah.
This thing knocking now.
Yeah, yes sir.
Oh yeah. Got that 0 gauge wire on there.
Best believe.
That's how you got to do it.
Oh, I also got an upgraded alternator, 250 amp alternator. You know what I'm saying? It does 250 amps at 1200 RPM.
All right.
Then you look back there. We got them 2 Brutuses.
They're doing it big now.
Yeah.
Truly beautiful.
Nice box. This sealed or ported?
It's sealed. All
box.
speakers got their own chamber.
Okay. I need to do that.
Truly beautiful, man.
Mine sealed too.
Yeah.
2 L7s over there.
Who gonna sound demo? You gonna demo or me?
He need a demo. I ain't heard his yet.
Oh, you ain't heard his? Oh yeah, you ain't heard his yet.
We need
Don't crank this thing up for him, man.
I need to change my stuff, and I got a little insignia amp on them 15, so you know what I'm saying. It ain't quaking like everybody else's, but
by the way,
still respect.
Not running full game either, so.
Not running full game.
And he got a stock alternator.
Let me.
But he got minimum voltage drop.
There you go. Let's see what he got. Got the touch screen.
I ain't got much in here. Ain't too much in there. We can get it going for you though.
I need to get one more.
Keep doing what you're doing, 'cause I need you. Say what's your
That's how we do it.
But I'm high.
Hey, let's you know, so I come here to get my stuff done. I'm gonna say
Got a girl at home, and I live wrong and feel so right. Young, I hope I roll the circle. We in the club, but this must be
we gonna see what he got over here, you know what I'm saying, with them 412.
Alright, we're gonna bust the 4-pack down real quick.
Let me get up in here. That's too tight over there. Got the 412.
I want y'all to see the knob though. Got a glare on it, but it's about halfway up.
I got a small amp, so it ain't bad right now. Everybody's out here doing their stuff. My dude Lexus, he work here.
Like I said, Payless Electronics, car, audio, and video. Best prices in town, guaranteed.
You already know. I
check
come
us
here
out.
all the time.
I got you guys all the time.
What y'all do, man?
My name is FaZe. CD players, amp, boxes, alarms, TVs, you name it, I got it. We also do window tint. Come check us out. My name is FaZe. I got you all day, every day.
Y'all know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is.